Very good morning, 8th class students. Our unit topic is area plane figures. So, from that, today I am going to explain parts of circle. First of all, what is the meaning of circle? A circle is a round, two-dimensional figure. All points on the edge of the circle, for example, circle is a round, two-dimensional shaped figure. All points on the circle, at the same distance from the center. Every point on the circle, it maintains equal distance from the center. So what is the meaning of circle? A circle is a round, two-dimensional shape. All points on the edge of the circle at the same distance from the center. Next, radius. The radius of the circle is a line segment from the center of circle to a point on the circle. What is the meaning of radius? The distance between center and a point on a circle is called radius. The distance between center and a point on a circle is called radius. We can take infinite radius in circle, because circle is a combination of infinite points, so we can draw infinite radius in the circle. And what is the plural form of radius? Radii. Radii is a plural form of radius. Next, radius. Always half of the diameter. Radius is always half of the diameter. Next, diameter. The diameter of a circle is a line segment that passes through the center. So diameter is a line segment that passes through the center of the circle and has two end points on circle. For example, if this is a circle, diameter passes through center of the circle. Diameter passes through center of the circle, and it has two end points on the circle. It has two end points on the circle. So what is the meaning of diameter? Diameter is a line segment passes through center. It has two end points on circle. Next, this is the diameter. AB is a diameter. O is a center. Half of the diameter nothing but radius. Half of the diameter nothing but radius. So here OA comma OB are radius. Radii. Then what we can write here? Radius is always half of the diameter. Similarly, diameter is twice to radius. Radius is half of the diameter. Similarly, diameter is twice to radius. Next, chord. A chord is a line segment. A chord is a line segment with both end points on the circle. So, if you join any two points on the circle, that line is called a chord. A chord is a line segment have two end points on the circle. So from this, diameter is a special chord that passes through the center. Here diameter is also a chord, that is passes through center of the circle. Similarly, diameter is a longest chord of circle. Diameter is a longest chord of circle. What is the meaning of chord here? A line segment. Chord is a line segment. Both end points on the circle. So the both end points of the chord lie on the circle. Diameter is also a chord that is passes through center, and diameter is a longest chord of the circle. Now formulas. Length of the rounded line is called the circumference of circle. What is the formula to find the circumference of circle? 2 pi r. What is circumference? Length of the rounded line is called circumference of the circle. Next, area of circle. To find the area of circle, what is the formula? Pi r square. Next, semicircle. Half of the circle is called semicircle. Area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. What is the meaning of semicircle? Half of the circle is called semicircle. Diameter divides a circle into two semicircles. Diameter divides the circle into two semicircles. So what is the area of the semicircle? Area of the circle is pi r square. Area of the semicircle means pi r square by 2, and circumference of the semicircle is 2 pi r by 2. Our next topic is sector. What is the meaning of sector? The part of a circle enclosed by two radii. You take one circle, take an arc. What is the meaning of arc? Part of the circle is called arc. Okay. The part of a circle enclosed by two radii, including arc, is called sector. Sector makes some angle with the center. I am taking that angle as theta. So this is called sector. So in the smaller one is called minor sector. Larger one is called major sector. Minor sector and major sector. Next, to find the area of sector. What is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. What is the meaning of theta? The angle which is doing with the center. Next, length of an arc. Length of a sector. To find the length of sector, what is the formula? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Next, circular ring. It is a plane figure bounded by the circumference of two concentric circles. What is the meaning of concentric circles here? They have the same center with different radius are called concentric circles. It is a plane figure bounded by the circumference of two concentric circles of two different radii. Okay, let the radius of the smaller circle r and radius of the larger circle capital R. So this is called width of the ring. To find the width of the ring, what is the formula? R minus R. Next, area of the ring formed by subtracting the area of the smaller circle that of the larger circle. See here, area of ring is equal area of the larger circle. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. Is pi r square minus pi r square. Capital R is a radius of the larger circle. Small r is a radius of the smaller circle. Then here, what is the common? Pi half. r square minus r square. So that is the area of the ring. What is the ring here? It is a plane figure bounded by circumference of the two concentric circles. To find the area of the ring, you have to subtract area of the smaller circle from area of the larger circle. Here is the question. Your wire is bent into the form of a square. So with a wire, he formed a square. What is the side of the square? 27.5 centimeters. Side of the square is 27.5 centimeters. The wire straightened and bent into the form of a circle. So once again, with this wire, he is forming a circle. What will be the radius of the circle? You have to find the radius of required circle. Here what is it? A wire he bent like a square and he is bending like a circle. You have to find what is the radius of the resulting circle. Here, side of square is equal to 27.5 centimeters. Let radius is equal to x centimeters. Let radius is equal to x centimeters. See here. Here shape from square to circle changed. But what is the not changing in this? Here, length of the wire when that forms as a square is equal to length of the wire when it is formed as a circle. So here what is the equal? Perimeter of the square is equal to circumference of a circle as per given. Perimeter of square is equal to circumference of circle. What is the formula of perimeter of square? 4 into side is equal to 2 pi r. 4 into side means 27.5. That 27.5 I am writing as 275 by 10 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into x. Any calculations? 5 1s are 5 2s are. Here 5 5s are 25. 2 remaining. 5 5s are 25. 2 1s are 2 2s are. What is the remaining here? 2 into 55 is equal to 44 by 7 into x. Here 2 into 55 into we can write 7 by 44 is equal to x. 11 4s are 44, 11 5s are 55. 2 1s are 2 2s are 7 5s are 35. X is equal to 35 by 2. So x is equal to 17.5 centimeters. X is nothing but radius of the resulting circle. So what is the radius of the circle? 17.5 centimeters.